Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for success, goal setting. If you've ever felt stuck or unsure about your future, stick around because this video is going to change your mindset and, hopefully, your life. So, why is goal setting so important? Well, let me ask you something. If you got into your car without a destination, where would you go? Nowhere, right? The same applies to life. Goals give you direction, purpose, and motivation. Research shows that people who set goals are 10 times more likely to achieve success than those who don't. Goals help you. 1. Stay focused. 2. Measure progress. 3. Overcome procrastination. 4. Boost self-confidence. 5. Turn dreams into reality. Sounds pretty powerful, right? Let's get into the science for a second. Have you heard of the Reticular Activating System, RAS? It's the part of your brain that filters information based on what you focus on. When you set a goal, your RAS starts spotting opportunities that align with your objectives, like magic, but backed by science. Think of an athlete training for a marathon. They set a goal, create a plan, and consistently train. Over time, they improve their endurance and reach their target. The same principle applies to any area of life. All right, let's talk about how to set goals that actually work. It all starts with the SMART method. Specific. Be clear about what you want. Instead of I want to be fit, say I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months. Measurable. Track progress. How will you know when you've achieved it? Achievable. Set goals that challenge you but are realistic. Relevant. Your goal should align with your values and long-term vision. Time-bound. Set a deadline to stay accountable. Let's apply this. Imagine you want to start a side hustle. Instead of saying, I want to make more money, a SMART goal would be, I will start an online business and make $500 per month within 6 months. This makes your goal actionable and trackable. Of course, goal setting isn't always easy. Life happens, motivation fades, and obstacles arise. But here's the secret. Break goals into small steps and celebrate small wins. Progress fuels motivation. Let's say you want to learn a new language. Instead of overwhelming yourself, start with 10 minutes a day. Small steps lead to big results. Another game changer? Accountability. When you share your goals with a friend, mentor, or community, you're way more likely to follow through. Join a mastermind group, find an accountability partner, or even document your journey online. Here's what I want you to do. Write one goal in the comments below using the SMART framework. Let's support each other and take action today. Remember, goal setting isn't just about success. It's about growth, learning, and becoming the best version of yourself. So, set those goals, take action, and never stop believing in your potential. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future content. See you next time. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn that notification button.